Okay, my previous video got cut off, but if you notice, we are still breaking the bonds of the gasoline and it's still burning. If this was inside a car engine, that energy would be transferred to the engine, which would then be transferred to other types of energy to make the car go, okay? So two types, the apple and the gasoline. But then we're gonna talk about this thing mainly for our class with this thing called mechanical energy. This is my daughter, Melanie. She's gonna show you energy conversions on a very simple thing you guys have all done, a swing. So Melanie, start swinging. Right now, Melanie's gonna pump and pump and pump and pump, and she's gonna show us energy transformations. Now, how is this an energy transformation? Well, at the very top, when she gets high, she has something called gravitational potential energy, okay? At the very top, she has gravitational potential energy, okay, on both sides. But then as she starts to descend, or at the bottom of her little arc here, it turns into kinetic energy, okay? So at the very top, I have gravitational potential energy, and then as she's going towards the bottom of the arc, the kinetic energy, okay? So at the very top, let me repeat one more time. Gravitational potential energy high, kinetic energy low. But at the very bottom of that arc, the kinetic energy is high, the potential energy is low. Now, Melanie, stop pumping your legs for me and just kind of coast. What's gonna happen, Melanie?
I stop swinging.
Now, she's gonna stop swinging. Just don't jump off, just keep on just keep on sitting there. She's eventually gonna stop. Now, the law of conservation energy says that energy can't be created or destroyed, so why is that possible? Well, if we were going to examine things up here, there's this thing called friction. What the heck? Friction. Friction is causing her to slow down and get lower and lower and lower and lower right now, okay? So a lot of times, if it seems like there's not an energy transformation or conversion, there is. It's just being lost as friction and heat. So that is the law of conservation of energy. Melanie, what do you think?
Awesome.
She thinks it's awesome.